which is given to an individual who's made an outstanding contribution to the Canadian broadcast community throughout their career. In order to be eligible, candidates must have made innovative contributions which have had an impact on the evolution and implementation of new broadcast technology. The granting of this award is to give wider recognition of that individual's achievements over the span of their career. This year's recipient is a friend and colleague to many in this room. Unfortunately, due to his condition, he was not able to join us, a decision that was very hard to make according to his family. Roger Cole is the chief engineer for CCBE Radio at Forest Kingston and Peterborough. He's originally from the Kingston area. Glenn Burney, to be precise. I just lost my script. Come on, man, this fun. He graduated from the Electronics Technology program at St. Lawrence College. His career started at CKWS in Kingston before moving on to Brockville, Chatham, and finally back to Kingston, where he's been for the last 30 years. He's overseen numerous projects on both the television and radio sides, including studio rebuilds, HD transmitter installs, Wheatstone rollouts, newsroom expansions, and robotic camera installations. Sadly, as I mentioned, Roger is not able to attend this year due to his health, but that's not stopping him from working. Even today, he's currently undertaking a new HD radio project in Oshawa. Our CCBE 2022 Lifetime Achievement Award winner is Roger Cole. It's hard to be here with us when we have the wonderful world of instant technology. On the count of 3, I would like everyone to yell, "Congratulations, Roger." Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Roger!